Guys, welcome back. Summer isn't complete without a barbecue, and barbecue pork ribs are probably the best accompaniment to a summer afternoon or evening. This recipe of mine is cooked in the oven, so there is no excuse that you can't do this around the year. I have pre-baked my pork ribs in the oven at 185 degrees for a good 1.5 hours with just salt, pepper, little oil under a silver foil and baked it. So the pork ribs are already cooked. And now the easy part is the glaze or the marinade. So barbecue sauce in a bowl, my secret ingredient with tomato ketchup, and to spice it up, I add sriracha sauce. So it's as simple as that. It is barbecue sauce, tomato ketchup, and sriracha sauce. Just mix it up all together, and what you get is a rich, deep brown color glaze, and that has to be applied very liberally on the cooked pork ribs. It gets a very nice shine. The tomato ketchup is a secret ingredient, and that gives it a stickiness, the sweet flavor, and it gives kind of a glaze which sticks onto the ribs so well and makes it even more delicious. So make sure you generously apply the barbecue marinade on top of the pork ribs, the cooked pork ribs, and the cooked pork ribs now go back in the oven and cook at 200 degrees for only 5 minutes. And what that does is the glaze just sticks over the cooked barbecue pork and gives a very nice gloss, kind of a sticky, warm, inviting feel which you associate with a barbecue. And just looking at that, my mouth is already watering. Slice up the bones into individual pieces, and you literally feel the meat literally falling off the ribs, and that is a sign of a good barbecue pork ribs. I'm going to transfer the sliced bones with the meat on them. So 4 pieces go onto a plate, lightly assemble them, and then on top of that we heap up the other pork ribs. And don't forget the lovely marinade. Anything left on the pan can be taken off and just gently pour over the pork ribs. The pork ribs are all set. You don't need to wait for summer to enjoy these delicious barbecue pork ribs. Time to indulge. Oh, bon appetit.